In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add or edit bio information on your Facebook account. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. So to get started, it is quite simple. Just head over to your menu here by tapping on your profile picture on the right here. So if you tap on it, this will open your menu, and then tap on your name. And now here we can edit our profile. To edit your profile, just use the option here, edit profile. And under this, you'll see your profile picture details, avatar, and even cover photo. You can go ahead and change them or style them as you wish. However, we are interested in bio information, and as you can see, we have bio here. To add bio or to edit your bio, just tap on add here if you don't have the bio information, and then we'll have an option here to describe it. So if you go ahead and tap here, now you can begin writing. You can make it as short or long as it is not beyond 101 characters. Once you are done, go ahead and save. And now you can see your bio information has been added. So that's how you add bio information on your Facebook account. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.